Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly time frame, definitely very, very strong to the upside, as you can see, but I still think there's a very good chance this is going to go down and make that A, B, C of wave B, which should take out these previous lows. Most other dollar pairs do look like they are just going to keep on trending up, so we'll have to see what happens. So going down to the weekly time frame, I'm still calling this a possible wave 2, and it is a very strong move to the upside, but the wave 2 on this move was very strong also, and this was definitely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. I still think this looks like 3 waves up. I still think it looks like it's going to eventually go down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C of wave B. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very strong move to the upside, but I still think this could be like an expanding flat for an A, B, and C. We are at the 78%, so if it closes too much above this, then I think it may invalidate this being a wave 2. But luckily, technically, the trend is up ever since it broke structure to the upside way back here on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. So we should be looking for longs right now. And if it just keeps on trending, then that should be a really great opportunity for us to keep looking for longs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely does look like a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So if this really is a 5 wave trend for the wave C, if we get the end of this trend with a break of structure of the wave 4, that's what should confirm without a doubt that the wave 2 of C is complete. Until we actually get this break of structure of the wave 4, we don't really know for sure that the wave C of wave 2 is over. And technically, you should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, I think this is a wave 3. I think this is an ABC of wave 4. Then it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 right now. So if it does go up and make this 5 wave pattern of wave 5, and then it goes down and takes out the wave 4 of wave 5, and this really is a wave 5 trend, then the break of the wave 4 of wave 5 should prove that the whole trend for the wave C is over. Technically, you're not going to know 100% until it breaks this structure, but if it breaks the wave 4 of wave 5 and it really is a wave 5, then potentially that would be the beginning of a pretty nice move to the downside, which should go down and break the low of wave 4. So we're just going to have to keep an eye on it, watch and see how it plays out. The trend is definitely still up right now, and we technically should still be looking for longs and an uptrend, at least until we get some of those breaks of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.